Well, I was just finishing up this really cute January table topper, and I got to wondering how many of us actually know how to use the Kimberbell affiliate link from the Texas Quilt Barn website? Well, I thought I'd show you. So, using the affiliate link from the Texas Quilt Barn is pretty easy. The first thing you'll want to do is go to texasquiltbarn.com. Then you'll scroll down. Normally it's pretty close to the top of the page, but they still have some Christmas things from their sale right before Christmas going. So you'll scroll down until you see this orange and blue link. And what you do is you just click on it, click on the logo, and it will take you to the Kimberbell webpage. Now, it doesn't look like a lot happened, but it actually registers that you are now part of the Texas Quilt Barn and you are shopping or browsing at the Kimberbell website. And then what's kind of fun is then you can come over and you can look at products. And one of the things that I'm super interested in is the latest and greatest, which is that super cute pillow from Kimberbell, which is that the Let Me Call You Tweetheart. Oh my goodness. They have some quilting files. They have some really fun things. There's the bundle, the embroidery bundle for Let Me Call You Tweetheart. Oh my goodness, so much fun. So again, I would just encourage you to kind of play around a little bit, look at some of the things that they have over here on the Kimberbell website, and just know that having gone from the Texas Quilt Barn website to the Kimberbell website has been very helpful, and it helps the girls at the Quilt Barn let people know that they're shopping and they get credit and they appreciate everything that we do for them. So just a fun, easy thing to do. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use the affiliate link. And you know what? It really does the shop a lot of good. It helps us win some pretty fun prizes when we take classes and do events at the Quilt Barn. For example, in the past, I've won software, like different event CDs and things like that. Super fun. I've won, I won a flash drive, which is pretty awesome because we always are looking for those to transfer files. I won a blanket. I've seen friends win clocks and I mean all kinds of crazy things. The funnest thing I have so far, and I haven't even opened it yet, is a satin pillowcase and eye cover, eye things to wear at night from Kimberbell. Oh my gosh. So many fun prizes. And in the end, it helps the Quilt Barn out because that helps them help us win fun things, but it also lets them show Kimberbell, the corporate, that, we've got a really dedicated, involved group of ladies who want to participate in Kimberbell events. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that if there's something else you want to learn, let me know.